Yo, what's good everyone, and welcome back to another video. A lot of people have been asking me for R6 and R15 rigs for Blender because they don't know how to export from Roblox Studio. I understand Roblox Studio export is an absolute pain, and once you do bring the model into Blender, it's absolute garbage. So I am going to be open sourcing the R6 and R15. These are custom modeled, the R15 is at least. I've custom modeled these. They're completely compatible with Blender. You guys could just go ahead and turn this into your own clothing. I'll be posting them in my Discord server. All you guys have to do is join my portfolio, which is going to be linked below, and it'll take you to this server right here, which is my portfolio server. Come down to open source channel and I'll be posting both Blender files right over here. Now, a common issue that I know a lot of people are going to run into is that files does not open. If your file does not open, that means you do not have Blender 4.0 or higher. I do use Blender 4.0, so to be able to open this file, you do need Blender 4.0. I don't want to see any comments about people complaining not being able to open the file. I warned you guys, as I've been trying to get my files to people and they said they can't open it, and it's usually because it's Blender 4.0. Now back to this is the normal Roblox mesh. Once you import an OBJ from Roblox, it looks like this, absolute garbage. You can't even like everything, just like, I don't know what they did to Lego, but I think they took Lego a bit too far and just decided to do this to the mesh. So what I did, I basically, and the topology is absolute garbage as well, so I just went ahead and trace modeled it, and the joints are absolutely goofy as well. Like, I don't think this is how Lego pieces work. I don't remember elbows being like this, but anyways, I went ahead and made my own pure mesh. Topology on this is clean. It covers all the joints, everything properly. It looks really nice, and yeah, you guys can go ahead and use this in Blender. I'm assuming you guys know how to take this into Roblox, because I'm not gonna give you guys a Roblox rig in Roblox. You guys should know how that works. Something I forgot to mention is that I do have modifier applied on these, mirror modifier, so you guys could just disable that anytime if you guys do want to finalize that. Just enable or apply the modifier and then just press L to select it, and then there you go, it's a separate part on its own. But I usually leave the modifier on just to make it easy to work across different parts. Now when it comes for the R15, this one, you guys could just go ahead, a lot of people just take this piece and just make clothing off of this. You guys do not need to trace and over this with another block. But for the R6, I don't recommend using your own cube. Just trace over this, because this is the base Roblox mesh. I just kind of cleaned it up to get the same shading and same shape as a normal Roblox R6 has. But yeah, hopefully you guys are fine with this. Let me know if there's any other issues, but this is gonna be a quick short video just to open source this. I know a lot of people have been asking. If you guys are looking forward for clothing tutorials, make sure you guys check out the ones I already have released, and if you guys do want more, post in the comment section what clothing you guys are looking for. But I basically make all of my clothings based off of this. I've been working on some Demon Slayer stuff recently due to new Demon Slayer season. I've been cooking a little bit. Make sure you guys follow me on Twitter just to stay up to date, and hopefully see you guys in the next video. Peace out, guys.